Have you ever wondered why your Bible says Lord instead of the true name of the Most High? Strong's Concordance, a trusted biblical reference, holds the answer. Look up page 3068 in Strong's. You'll find Yahuah, not Lord. It says this name is derived from H1961 I am, meaning to be, or I am, exactly what Yahuah declared in Exodus 3:14. I am that I am. This means his name carries the meaning of existence itself, a truth lost in translation but never erased from the original language. Over 6,800 times, this name appeared, yet most Bibles replaced it with Yod. Why? 1. Because of man-made traditions, reverence misdirected by fear, and pressure from religious institutions that prioritize titles over truth. 1. But the scriptures never instructed us to hide the name. In fact, they say, "This is my name forever," Exodus 3:15. Sing to his name. Yahuah, Psalm 68:2-4. I have revealed your name, John 17:2-6. Strong's wasn't created by fringe groups. Scholars compiled it to help us study deeper. And when we do, the truth rises from the text. This is about more than translation. It's about restoration. We've only scratched the surface. Get the full ebook, Restoring the Sacred Names. Click the link in description. Like, subscribe, and share if this truth resonates with you. Shalom.